out of interest here, we also have a common 2-coil 12-volt regulator hooked up to the exact same system that we just had the Delahaye regulator, the old Lucas Delahaye. Both of them B circuit, both of them 12 volts. Again, the battery only has 12.1 volts in it, static. And now, with the regulator, the new regulator, brand new out of the box, 2-coil regulator, this is getting 13.12 volts. But watch this. To rev it up. Well, obviously that's too many volts. So for this generator, if I get a picture of it right, there we go. For this particular generator, and this particular brand new out of the box voltage regulator, you can see that the voltage is fine at idle, but way too high. Certainly this is adjustable, but the point is here that we have to match the voltage regulator to the generator. And that's what we're going to have to do on this particular application, 1938 or so Delahaye. So just wanted to show you what brand new and what custom made does. Thank you.